Most people who are over the age of 30 will have some degree of facial volume loss that over time will cause sinking and sagging of their skin. It's far easier to prevent aging caused by volume loss by starting treatments early rather than waiting until there's a really noticeable problem. People who suit Sculptra are people who are gym junkie kind, you know, those with very low lean body types. Those who perhaps have lost a bit of weight and are starting to get a little bit gaunt and hollow. And also people who may be tending to form jowls. Sculptra stimulates your skin's collagen production, which restores the internal structure of the skin, and this helps to treat the volume loss associated with aging. Sculptra works really subtly and gradually, which makes it very different to the hyaluronic acid treatments, which are of course instantaneous. And Sculptra is a very natural product because it's making your body grow its own collagen, and that's what does the work. Sculptra treatments are done once every 6 weeks. People tend to have one treatment for every decade of life that they have. So for example, me being a 40-year-old lady, I might have between 4 and 5 treatments to restore the volume loss in my face. But I generally don't ever go beyond 5 treatments independent of your age. And once people are happy with the overall result that they've got, people can have perhaps 1 or 2 treatments a year, which will keep that result looking good over time. And I'll often dovetail the treatments of Sculptra with other things like dermal fillers, anti-wrinkle injections and laser. Sculptra treatments are placed in these outermost parts of your face. I call it the outline of your face. And interestingly, Caucasians age in this part of their face far more readily than non-Caucasians, and it is in these parts of the face that Sculptra actually works the best. I realised just how important it was to have a good outline of your face when I read this particular study, which asked members of the public to guess the ages of the study participants. But the study participants had this front part of their face all blacked out, so that all you could see was the outline. And did you know that people could actually guess the ages correctly to within 5 years? So it would seem that the outline of your face is a really important determinant of how well you look. And it's Sculptra that gets put in that place. And it works really subtly and progressively, so it will never look obvious. And it's naturally done because it's your own body that's making the growth happen. There is a difference between Sculptra and filler. Now fillers are of course instantaneous. You put them in and they're right there, and you walk out and your result is there. Sculptra is very different because it's making your body make its own natural filler. And because it's put in these side parts of the face, if you were to use filler there instead of Sculptra, you can often get a very big round moon face, and it would be obvious, the pillow face we call it. So because this product is stimulating your body's collagen, it looks very natural.